Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, you're going to swipe down from the top of your screen twice and then click on the power button right here in the corner and hold power off. When you do so, it changes into reboots to safe mode, and you want to confirm it by selecting OK. Now when the device boots back up, it will automatically enter safe mode, in which only the pre-installed applications will be available to you. Any app that you have installed yourself after the setup will be temporarily disabled, and neither you nor the device can start it up. And obviously this is designed for troubleshooting purposes. Now let's just wait for the device to boot back up. So you can see we have safe mode marking right here, and widgets also don't work in this mode, but there's no third-party applications right here, so every app that you have, or I have at least, is right now available to me. But you will most likely see some semi-transparent gray apps. Those are the apps that you won't be able to run, and if you even try to click on them, it just gives you a pop-up at the bottom that downloaded apps are disabled in safe mode, or something along those lines. Now once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, find the power button once again, and you can just tap on a restart option right here, and when the device reboots and enters back into Android, it will automatically enter at that point the normal mode. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.